Morty!
Rick? Where are you?
I'm in Fortnite, Morty! I'm cranking 90s, Morty! I'm cranking fucking 90s!
Cel shading. It hasn't been around for long, but its popularity has exploded in recent times. Catering to a certain audience, whether that's the animators or the, gamer audience. With popular games such as Borderlands and Jet Set Radio using this as a core art style. In case you don't know what cel shading or toon shading is, it's a type of non-photorealistic rendering designed to make a 3D graphic model appear flat, or 2D. It's also used as an art style mostly used in anime. This is done by using less shading color, instead of using shade gradients or tints. Basically, from this to this.
Hey, stop! Why?
With toon shading, it gives it more style. I am wanting to add cel shading to a character I've made to make it look clearer and give it more depth. After researching cel shading, I was able to learn more about what it can be used for and how to implement it to my models. And I also learned what it was in general. I had no idea what it was actually called, but now I know, thanks to AIE. Now, where am I up to? Alright, what job roles / studio department would this be relevant to? Where do I begin? In recent years, so many different jobs use this, but mostly the game art designers and animators. A lot of popular games have based their entire style around toon shading, like Lethal League Blaze, one of my favorites, with a 3D environment and 2D characters have a unique style. Talking about unique style, Borderlands. It has an art style never used before, having a very memorable feel to the game and the environment. Very easy to spot out from other games. Even if the game has forgettable and boring gameplay, it can be saved by the art style. In comes cel shading to the rescue. But then you realize the game costs $85. Let's just wait till this one's on special in that case.